Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can use Afterpay on Amazon. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. Okay, so first go ahead and go to afterpay.com. Now here you need to make an account. So if you don't have an account, you can tap on sign up and it's just quite easy. Okay, so after this one, you can go ahead and go to the search bar here and type on Amazon. Okay, so click on Amazon gift cards from the results and it is going to take you to this page. Now here you can tap on Amazon gift card. And by the way, as of today, Afterpay only works with Amazon gift cards. Okay, so here you can choose the amount. You have a lot of options to choose from in here. And below it, you will have an information of how you can pay it through Afterpay. So you can also send this to a friend or you can buy it for yourself. You also have more details down below. Now, after this one, you can go to Amazon and redeem your gift cards and you can actually use that to buy an item that you like. All right, so I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.